Once again, thanks for joining us. Holly Shields here for Kalkine Media. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified on our latest videos. Nexon has joined Tesla, Mastercard, PayPal, BNY Mellon in Bitcoin bet. Japanese online gaming giant Nexon has purchased Bitcoin worth $100 million US, joining the league of big companies such as Tesla, BNY Mellon, Mastercard, and PayPal that use their cash reserves to add cryptocurrencies in the balance sheet. The Tokyo Stock Exchange listed company has purchased 1,717 Bitcoins at an average price of approximately $58,000, saying that it will protect its shareholder value and maintain the purchasing power of cash assets. The purchase amounts to nearly 2% cash and cash equivalents reserves of the company, it said in a press release on April 28th. Commenting on the development, Owen Mahoney, president and CEO of Nexon, said, "Our purchase of Bitcoin reflects a disciplined strategy for protecting shareholder value and maintaining the purchasing power of our cash assets. In the current economic environment," he continued, "we believe Bitcoin offers a long-term stability and liquidity while maintaining the value of our cash for future investments," Mahoney added. In recent times, there have been rises in the acceptance of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum by companies like electric car maker Tesla, payment giants Mastercard and PayPal Holdings, and financial services firms like Bank of New York, Mellon, and BlackRock Incorporated. The investment in cryptocurrencies by these companies indicates growing demand for digital assets that was long ignored by the traditional companies. In February this year, Elon Musk-led Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to maximize returns on its cash. In a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the auto major said that it would start accepting payments in Bitcoin in exchange for its electric cars, subject to applicable law. However, Tesla sold $272 million or 10% worth of Bitcoin holdings, which was revealed in its first quarter earnings report released on Monday. Following the footsteps of Tesla, American payments company PayPal allowed its users in the US to pay using cryptocurrencies. The company has launched a new featured checkout with crypto, which allows users to convert crypto into a fiat currency, such as the US dollar at checkout. PayPal's rival Mastercard has also announced to start supporting select digital currency directly on its network, which will allow merchants to accept cryptocurrencies. The company, which will start this facility later this year, did not specify the name of the digital currencies it will support. US-based financial services firm Bank of New York Mellon has also joined the cryptocurrencies party by forming a new unit called the Digital Assets Unit to help clients hold, transfer, and issue digital assets. This new offering will start later this year as per the bank. Given the recent fall in Bitcoin value and outstanding performance by other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Dogecoin, market analysts are raising questions over the dominance of the world's most popular currency. According to Goldman Sachs, it's too early to call Bitcoin the new digital gold, as it has failed to emerge as a defensive asset in a risky market environment. The agency also raised concerns about Bitcoin's long-term store of value and lack of use cases. Last week, the value of Bitcoin plunged below the $50,000 level amid reports that US President Joe Biden administration was mulling to raise the capital gains tax on wealthy Americans. The digital currency hit an all-time high of $64,000 on the 14th of April, on the day Coinbase Global Incorporated shares were listed on the US Stock Exchange. Currently, it was hovering around $54,000 with little change in the last few days as investors continued to explore other cryptocurrencies. Well, if you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified on our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to our website, kalkinemedia.com.